Today's job is for DevOps engineer at CES. CES stands for Container Exchange Services, and it is a joint venture between Coca-Cola, Euro-Pacific Partners, and Lion that was established to provide scalable and sustainable solutions for container deposit schemes in Australia and around the world. This particular job is based in Sydney, Australia, and it works on hybrid model. So you have to be in the you can work from home for 3 days, but 2 days in the office in a collaborative team. In order to be successful in this role, you have to be cloud aware, especially AWS, and you should have strong experience in that cloud. You should have experience in the infrastructure as code tooling such as Terraform, CloudFormation, and as it's a DevOps role, so you should be well versed in CI/CD tools. If you know Argo or Jenkins, that would be awesome. Plus, you should have good grasp of Kubernetes, at least from the operational point of view, and also definitely in containerization. If you are aware of any monitoring tools like Splunk or Grafana, Loki, Datadog, that is value added. Plus, you should have good exposure to any Git-based workflows and tooling around GitHub, Bitbucket, and stuff like that. If you know Postgres and have managed it, that is icing on the cake. Plus, you should have some sort of experience in event streaming and processing technologies like Kafka and Istio, something like that. So, if you want to stand apart from the crowd for this role, if you know Istio inside and out, I think that would go a long way, in my opinion. So, if you think that this job is for you and you like the sound of it, please go to CES website and apply directly from there. Thank you.